Hello everyone, welcome to today's session. Today we are here to discuss regarding some of the classifications of sleep disorder. The first one is insomnia. Definition: difficulty in initiating or maintaining sleep. It is the most common sleep disorder. Symptoms include: first one, difficulty in initiating sleep; second one, difficulty in maintaining with sleep, with frequent awakening or problems returning to sleep. Third one, early morning awakening with inability to return to sleep. Treatment include pharmacological treatment such as benzodiazepine, zolpidem and other hypnotic drugs, sedating antidepressants, etc. Apart from that, cognitive behavioral therapy, universal sleep hygiene, stimulus control therapy, sleep restriction therapy, relaxation therapy and biofeedback. Second one, hypersomnolence disorders. Definition: excessive sleepiness. Types: first one, Klein-Levin syndrome. Recurrent periods of prolonged sleep with intervening periods of normal sleep and alert waking. Second type is menstrual related hypersomnia. Recurrent episodes of hypersomnia related to menstrual cycle. Third one, idiopathic hypersomnia. Idiopathic hypersomnia is a disorder of excessive sleepiness in which patients do not have the auxiliary symptoms associated with narcolepsy. Fourth one, behaviorally induced insufficient sleep syndrome. It diagnosed when an individual does not schedule an adequate amount of time for sleep and as a result suffers from daytime sleepiness, fatigue, loss of concentration, etc. Fifth one, hypersomnia due to medical conditions. Here, hypersomnia occurs as a result of some trauma, stroke, encephalitis, Parkinson's disorder, tumors, etc. And the last type is hypersomnia due to drug or substance use. Sleepiness can be caused by use or abuse of sedatives, hypnotic stimulants, etc. Treatment: wake promoting substances like modafinil, traditional psychostimulants like amphetamines. Third disorder is narcolepsy. Definition: it is a condition characterized by excessive sleepiness as well as auxiliary symptoms that represents the intrusion of aspect of REM sleep into the waking state. Treatment: modafinil. It is an alpha-1 adrenergic receptor agonist, SSRIs or tricyclic drugs. Thank you.